Would you like to go back on your back? Let's flip him back over.
Face that way and see those flowers. See?
Yeah, I think he's had quite a lot of exercise. Would you like us to flip you back over so you can see your friend the parrot? Oh, look at you. Alright, head went the other way. Yay. Look at you, Micah. Wow. Yeah. And you get to see the flower. See the flower? See a flower? Yeah. Okay.